Hey love, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a requested video from one of my viewers where they asked me to show you what can I fit in my Songmont small Shan Satchel bag. And I was like, you know what? Instead of showing you what this handbag can fit, I am actually going to share with you what is in my handbag, because I have been using this handbag for a month now, and this is the first time, to be honest, that I am using a handbag daily. In short, that already tells you what I think about the handbag. So if you're interested to know what are inside my handbag and what I think about the handbag after using it for a month, just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start off by sharing with you already what is in my Songmont small Shan Satchel bag. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you what's inside, and this is really what I have been putting inside this handbag for daily use. So as you can see, it is closed on the side, on both sides. So this is in the smaller version, and this is how it looks like once it's filled up. And I am mainly carrying it crossbody, and from time to time when I'm going out of the car, I use it as a, I carry it on the handle. So first and foremost, of course, I have my phone, but right now my phone is the one that I'm using for filming. But all in all, I put my phone here at the back, and I have an iPhone Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it's the bigger version, and I can put it without any problem on, on the, like this, on this length. So just so you know, it enters here. But of course, when my bag is full, it kind of like bumps a bit, but no problem at all. It has a lot of space to enter, and it's really just like that. And then I'm going to show you what's inside. So I have used it today. So I was carrying this morning, and what do I have inside? We're currently winter here in Belgium, so it's quite cold. So let's have a look. So what I have inside, I have first and foremost my gloves, as you can see. And then I have in here my sunnies. I actually have two protection. It's my Celine sunglasses. So even though it's winter, I like to bring my sunnies with me because I wear contact lenses. So when there's a lot of, wind, it protects my eyes. And then from time to time, even though it's winter, we do have some sun in Belgium, so it's always good to have sunnies. So I have that in here. And then what else do I have? So I'm just going to show you how it looks like, because those two are above, so it's like that. So what I have in here, let's start off. I have my very old Kindle. There you have it. And then what I have in here, I have my pochette accessoire with an air tag. And in the pochette accessoire, I have all my stuff, my car keys, and so on and so forth. I have my card holder, and all of the normal stuff that in general you put in a pochette accessoire. So yeah, but so pochette accessoire can be inside. So there we have it. What else do I have in here? I have a tissue, and then I have some mint, frisk. What else? Oh, I have my key clay. So in here I have actually my cards for work and my card when I take the subway and the train. And then what else? I have, for easy access, I have a MAC lipstick. And then that's all I have inside the bigger portion. As you can see, it you know what, it'd be a lot easier if I open it on the side so you can be able to see. But like you saw, all of those stuff are in here with the sides closed. So you can see I have nothing more there, but inside this pocket I have my Chanel mirror, and what else? I have my 6 key holder that I have stamped like I have showed you last time on my video. What else? I have a Cartier ring holder, but it's actually a bag holder. You can see, I don't know if you can be able to see. There you go. And then I have this so that when I want to put my bag somewhere, if I eat somewhere, it's on the table and hanging and not on the floor, because I don't like my bag to be on the floor. So that's why I have this with me. And then I have my iPods Air Pro 2nd generation. And then I have another Lippy, Kylie Lippy. And then that's it. That is what I have inside this Songmont small Shan Satchel bag. Okay, so now that I have shared with you what's inside my bag, you have an idea what it fits. And like I mentioned, all of the things that you just saw, I have been able to fit it in here with the sides closed. So if I wanted more things inside, I can just, unbutton this and it will be a lot bigger and I will have more space. So it's a very handy and easy handbag to wear. Now I'm just going to give you a very quick let's say review after using it. Like I have mentioned in the beginning of the video, after using this daily. I know in some of my videos I tend to say that I don't wear handbags daily. If I wear them, it's generally 2 days and then I change in another handbag. But with this one, I'll be honest with you guys, I have been using this every day. Whenever I go pick up my son, or if I have to go do some errands, if we go out in the weekend, because as you can see, you can wear it very casually, of course, but it can also go in a formal attire, but not, of course, not those gala attires, but I mean, if you go to a restaurant with friends and such, I also already brought this with me. And what I like about this, why I have been using this for every day for a month now, it's because it's very easy to use. It's very lightweight, so without any stuff, it's very lightweight. Of course, with all the things that you just saw that I have shown you, the bag become a bit heavier, but it's still, I mean, it's not that heavy that to the fact that it's hurting my my shoulder whatsoever when I'm carrying it, not at all. But of course, it's heavier than when it's free of stuff, or if I just put really the essentials one. But with all of the things that I have shown you, I think that weight is still okay. And then the other thing is it's very easy access. As you can see, I can just open it like that, and when I close it like so it's very so easy. And at the same time, I like to use it daily or every day, is that protection wise, as you can see, no one can steal from this handbag. Everything is closed. Of course, you have this back pocket, but it's against my body. So when I am wearing it crossbody, no one can access, even if I put it on the back or in the front, no one can access the back pocket. Very easy also to wear, even if, when I have, big bulky coats, since we are on winter, so no problem with that as well. And then, like I told you, see, very easy access. And the last thing that I really like about this handbag is the fact that even if it rained or snow, the material is waterproof. So as you can see, the material in here, oh my god, so how I can say it, sturdy, and I don't have any issues about it. Even the leather part, at first when I carry it on the handle, I was like, oh my god, the wear will be too much, but I will try to show you, not a lot of wear, as you can see. And again, after using it daily, I think the only wear that I can see is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in here. But still, it's not really a wear. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I think it's just a strand of something. But no, not other than that, nothing. Very satisfied of how it is. Haven't changed the length, and the leather part in here is a lot more soft because I've been using it crossbody, and yeah. So all in all, so happy to have this handbag. So there you go, guys. That was my quick updated review of my Songmont small Shan Satchel bag and what's in my bag as well. So if you have any questions about the handbag or any more details about it, need details about it, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And if you have liked this video and you want me to do this kind of video in the future as well, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also, please give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who are watching my channel and enjoying it but aren't subscribed yet, please feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. So until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.